Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. inSync 24-hour mesh office chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are Part A, backrest. Part B, seat pad with mechanism already attached. Part C, one pair of adjustable arms. Part D, gas strut. Part E, 5-star base. Part F, 5 casters. Part G, headrest if ordered with chair. Part H, sleeve. Part I, 2 bolt caps. Part J, 1, 3 M8 20mm bolts, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. Part J2, 2 M8 45mm bolts. Part J3, 2 M6 20mm bolts. Part K, 3 sizes of Allen keys. Part L, 2 rings, which may be mentioned in your instructions but are now already attached to the arms. Part M, cover plate, which is already attached to the rear of the backrest. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, slide the sleeve, Part H, into position and attach the backrest to the seat pad using the Part J1 bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Now, attach the arms to the seat pad using the Part J2 bolts. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. The instruction booklet may tell you to insert the Part L rings, but this part is now fitted to the arms at the factory. With the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Follow the next few steps if you have ordered the chair with the optional headrest. Remove the plastic cover, Part M, from the back of the chair. Insert the headrest into position and secure with the Part J3 bolts. Complete the assembly by inserting the bolt caps, Part I, over the 2 bolts in the headrest. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your inSync 24-hour mesh office chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.